Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a close-up review of my new Colzer dehumidifier that I just bought a couple weeks ago and to be used in a basement. As you can see, the unit itself is very sleek and modern design. It has a built-in filter in the back of the unit. The unit itself is pretty heavy, but it has built-in wheels that makes it easy to maneuver. So that's not a problem for it. Let's turn it on. Touchscreen, LCD. There's a child lock feature. Lighting mode, swing mode, speed mode, setup mode, timing mode. Let's turn it off. The unit itself is very quiet. A few hours. Let's see what we got here. About 2 dirt bucket full already. And it also comes with a hose if you want it to be running in a continuous mode. But I personally prefer to be in a bucket. Very nice, decent unit. Highly recommended.